was funny.
I thought it was really great.
Enjoyed it. Loved it.
Awesome movie, very funny, very relatable.
Very relatable.
Yeah, because we can relate to it. Right, Ruthless?
Just a little Samoan humor that's in there and how we lived through it too, being Samoan daughters and things like that. So we could relate to the rules that was going on in the movie. So
I would say we're the OGs. We're the original. We're the original.
Yeah.
I would be the good one, sitting underneath the tree. While no, I'm kidding. We were both good, but she was my best friend that would come over and just do the fast Samoa things with us.
Yeah.
Put on the ear lava lava.
Immersed in the culture, got to know it better.
And now she married a Samoan.
The movie was really great and it's totally worth watching, so I think you should go out and support. It's a lot of laughter, and then in the end we actually sat down for a minute to talk about it more.
It hit very close to home, hit the heart, man. It was just very relatable, like my brother said earlier. It's a very great movie, man. Man, moms has just been strict on life, man. It's no girlfriends from the age of birth, you know?
He's from Samoa, so it really helps me to connect with more of his culture. And I have to check my mascara because, you know, there were some moments when it was very touching. So
Yeah, it hit home, yeah, with values and just humor, how they made it funny and how it's now modern days and how it's not as strict, but the main point of it is just making sure that there's values instilled within our children, yeah.
it's true, you know, family is forever. And I liked that in the end it was a big celebration. Like she had you know, sort of had to learn her lesson, but in the end it all worked out, and she was better for it. So that means a lot.
And how we're always encouraged by our elders just to do better than them so that we can have a better life for ourselves. And although it feels so strict going through it, we know that in the end it is for our betterment.